So today I'll be showing you guys how to revamp your wig, your curly wig. So I'm going to be showing you an efficient and the most reliable way to, revamp your curly wig. So whatever curly wig, in short, as far as it has curls, you can use this method. I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. So first thing first, you go in with your water. Yes, you can get a spray bottle and then use it to apply the water on the wig, or you could just apply the normal wig. And then this is my leave-in conditioner. Yes, to make the wig soft, like to make it easy to comb. Like if you were to look closely, you see that the wig is all tangled. So just to make it soft. So if you have a curl lala, you could use that as well. Yes, you could. In short, there are different products you can use for revamping. Yes, just make sure it's going to, like, as far as it gives you what you desire. Yes, you could use this. You could use a curl lala. You could use your leave-in conditioner, whatever conditioner you have, and just to soften it and make it easier to brush. And then you need a detangling brush. But if you don't have a detangling brush and your brush is just like mine over here, what you're going to do is to ensure that you start brushing from the tip of the wig, like from the down part, and then from down you go to up. Then after brushing well, after you must have been satisfied with the brushing, or maybe you feel like the brushing is enough, then you can now use your picking comb, whatever it may be called. You can now use it to comb it well. So I know most of you will be like, brushing the curls, is the curls not going to go out? No, it is not going to go out. Yes, the curls will still remain the way they are. In short, the curls will come out more defined. So you have to make sure you brush it well. Don't be scared of brushing it too. I know most of you will be like, brush it small before the curls will go out. No, the curls won't go out. It won't, except maybe the wig is not a good one. But for a curly wig, after applying your water, your leave-in conditioner, you brush it, the curls are not going to go out. So you brush it very well. No fear. Brush it very well. So if you watch this point, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. If you're yet to do so, don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to share your thoughts with me in the comment section. If you have any questions, I'm all ears. So as you can see, I had to turn the front of the wig, so I'm going to brush it. Like, make sure you brush it very well. Like I said before, don't be scared of it. Just brush it very well. The curls will still remain the way it is. And if you watch closely, you see that I was turning, like I was trying to get the under part of the wig. Yes, you brush that part very well as well. Don't go and brush the part at the surface and then leave the other parts and the under part. No, you are going to brush everything very well, so that when it's time to use your comb, you can now, it will comb very easily. Or if you have a detangling brush, then I don't think there'll be need for the comb. You just, like, it will be even easier if you use a detangling brush. But then if you don't have a detangling brush, you could use this as well. So I'm going to comb this very well. I'm going to make sure that it is tangle free. Yes, not minding that it is a curly wig, you have to make sure it is tangle free. Make sure you comb it until it is tangle free. Yes, make sure you comb it very well. And then there are some wigs that are very stubborn. There are wigs that has over tangled, or how do I even put it? There are wigs that even after applying the leave-in conditioner or your curl lala or whatever conditioner you have, it will still be very difficult to comb. Yes, so those kind of wigs, all you're going to do is, okay, this is just a local method. You can decide to use other methods, but this is a local method. I feel like everybody is affordable. It's something everyone can try or do. So if it is very difficult to comb, all you're going to have to do is to just get a nylon, a black nylon. Then after rubbing your conditioner, you just put it inside the nylon, tie the nylon, and then keep it under the sun to steam up, like to steam. And so after some time, like after it must have stayed under the sun, when you bring it out of the nylon and then comb, you see it will be very easy to comb. So right now I went in with my mousse. Yes, so this is my styling mousse. So you apply your styling mousse after the conditioner, curl lala, or whichever one you have. So you apply the styling mousse. Yes, and then after the styling mousse, I'm going to be showing you another product you should use. This product is very nice. Like, I've tried it several times. It is it is awesome. It is should I say, it is perfect for your curls. And the most interesting part of it all, it is very much affordable. It is something you can afford. This is Ludai's product. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. Ludais. Yes, This product is actually cheap and it actually defines those curls. Like if you're going for something cheaper, if you don't have money to buy all those expensive, expensive products that keep the curls, you could go for this Ludice product. It is very, very nice. Like try it and thank me later. So all I'm going to do after applying the product, all I'm going to do is to crunch just to make the curls come out very, very well. So this is all you're going to have to do. So if you were to follow this method I showed you in this video, then you won't have problem maintaining your curly wigs. Yes, you can even do it at the comfort of your home. You don't have to take it to a hairstylist to do it for you. So guys, remember to click on the subscribe button if you're yet to do so. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, and also if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment section. Turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post interesting videos like this. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.